Afternoon, St. Andrew. This is the group 1, and we are here to present our health advocacy campaign to you guys.
First, related to our topic. Our topic is fitness event. So what is fitness event, you may ask?
Events are organized physical activities designed to improve health and well-being.
Those are races you walk like marathon run, marathon zumba.
Our fitness event that we will be advocating is Charity Fun Run.
So why you may ask?
Because they are vital and critical for alleviating poverty, support, healthcare, and providing essential resources.
By knowing Charity Fun Run, you are not only helping yourself, but you are also helping others towards the money you use to participate. Because the money will be donated for the development and the poor people.
So, that is why we chose Charity Fun Run as our advocacy campaign. So for more information, click here.